So today this caught my eye, and if you've been here before you'll know by now, if something catches my eye I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look. And look at this little beauty. It's the all new 2025 JBL edition Toyota Aygo Cross. And these haven't even been launched yet, so we're getting a sneak preview of what these look like. So be sure to subscribe and join me on the journey when I spot something, and I'll take you on a walk in 4K as always. And mainly look, the paint. It's called Jasmine, it's brand new. I don't know if the camera's picking it up that well. It's got like almost like a mother of pearl effect to it. It goes all sort of flicks into different colours. It is really quite nice. And on the interior, we'll have a look at that in a minute. But yeah, they've restyled it with matching sort of like purpley mats. We'll have a look, like I said, in a sec. It's also got this. I thought it was like a warning thing at first, but it's actually a JBL symbol, isn't it? But yeah, what do you reckon? Little sneak preview at the all new. And here's the other thing with this. You get 18-inch black alloys, and on the spec I saw it also said dark jasmine. And I was like, where's the dark jasmine? And then I spotted it. It's just here, and is that a waste of time? Do you actually see that? I don't know. I mean, it could have been if it was body coloured. Because on the original Aygo Cross, that was orange, and it was like a green with orange, so they've restyled it. But maybe if that was, yeah, lighter silvery sort of jasmine colour, that would have stood out more, maybe been a bit different. But yeah, let's have a look around this little. You get parking sensors on the back. It's got the cool, I like the lights on the back of an Aygo. They look really good, don't they? You've got the JBL branding. And in here's where the fun starts, because it's got the tune for this car. JBL setup. It's got a 300 watt JBL system. This is a 20 centimetre sub in the back, which for a car this size is really, so if you like your bass, I mean, you don't get a spare wheel, do you? And there's no room for a spare wheel. But you get a 20 centimetre sub, so what's not to like? You like your music. What a great car. My daughter really would like this. Got little purple Aygo badges here. Stitching on the back seat. No purple on the back seat though. Isofix, Isofix, Isofix in the back. It's very well trimmed. It's like a half pleather. You've got the standard little pop-out windows in the back. Electric windows in the front. Like I said, you've got this geometric pattern on it. You've got JBL embossed on the seats there, just about make that out. Really nicely trimmed. This one has the auto box, which will have the paddle shift. There you go. Yep, up there. We'll have a look around in the driver's cockpit in a minute. You can get a manual option on this. Wireless charging. Also up here, you get a little SOS button. You pull that down, you press that. Dials emergency services. They ask you what service you require. It pinpoints your location. Glove box is a glove box. What we got down here, little illuminated plug in. Maybe that's for your infotainment. You got heated seats as well, though. So we'll have a look round at this in a sec. Let's just set that up for when we get around there. Compass. I think you have to set it up. You have to subscribe for sat nav or plug your phone in. What have you got around here? You got a little switch. Put your key in, turns the airbag off, so you can have a rear-facing child seat there. What do you reckon of them seats? So my daughter would like them. I'm not sure if it's me, but my daughter would like them. Again, you have the JBL branding on there. Really nice colour. Dark jasmine on here, but like I said, you don't really see it too much. I mean, that works. You only get 72 brake horsepower engine all throughout the range, and there it is. Normally aspirated petrol engine, no hybrid in sight. It's got the headlights on, so they're on auto, and it's just started raining, so they've obviously come on, so we'll turn it on to side lights. We get a better look at the headlight. What do you reckon? Headlights on these do look good. It's got the all new LED, isn't it? That looks quite cool. So if you get it from there, you can probably just make out that colour. It's like almost like a silver with a purplish pink flip in it. With the huge 18-inch dark anthracite alloys, that really does look a nice little car, doesn't it? Electric windows here, electric mirrors. Should we jump on in and go POV like we always do? Like I said, this has got the compass on it at the moment. You've got to subscribe for the nav. Radio's all going to be the same. Sources, yeah, all your usual suspects. What does it tell you about your trip info? Notifications, well actually what's down here? Car multimedia, all your general. It's got the JBL tweeters in the front as well, so if you've got the woofer in the back, the tweeters, the side speakers down here by your feet, it's going to sound awesome in here. It's got a very clear reversing, very large reversing camera actually, comes with the grid as well. What we got, aircon, I don't think these have nano, some of the newer models have, or Toyota have nano, this doesn't have the Nano X where it adds a little bit of moisture. We've got a few functions on the steering wheel, nice size, nice feel. Like I said, it's got paddle shift up here, makes it a little bit sporty when you're trying to drive it. Not that you're going to get much sport out of a 72 brake horsepower engine, are you? As I said, we've got the auto option on this. Let's go for a little drive, see how it goes, because I drove the manual, a little bit notchy on the gearbox, but then if you're not used to driving a manual, all manual gearboxes when they're brand new are going to be a little bit notchy, aren't they? So this is just ultra smooth. Yeah, it's really nice. It's just over £1,000 extra for the auto box, but it really is for one of these. It just makes it a completely different driving experience, so much easier to drive in the auto. My daughter, like I said, would love this. If she was at driving age yet, she's a teenager, but when it's only a few years off, so I'd seriously consider getting one of these. She'd like it, and I'd be happy that she's in one of these, because you know it's never going to go wrong. It's got a 10-year warranty, like all Toyotas have, so what is not to like? So it started raining, as always when I'm filming. If you go back and look at all my, you'll see, oh, I've looked at loads of cars. Go back, have a look. They're all in the catalogue of automotive I've got. Actually, from that angle, I think you could probably just make out the colour a bit better. Yeah, the JBL just launched. I've looked on YouTube, but I haven't actually seen one of these yet. So maybe we're the first, hopefully, showing you a brand new JBL for 2025. What do you reckon? Back end looks really good on one of these. I love the lights. Inch anthracite alloys, makes loads of ground clearance. Daughter could jump off on curbs without me worrying too much. Nice front end, nice colour. So what do you reckon? As always, if you found that video of use, please do give it a thumbs up. It'll help my channel immensely, and I'll see you again soon when I spot something like this that catches my eye, especially on things like this. Brand new for 2025. We're the first to have a look at it. I'll take you with me, so make sure you subscribe and I'll take you on the journey like I have been for the last year. Have a great day. It's raining as always. What a great little car. See you again soon.